Many newcomers arrive at an exchange and immediately dive into trading. Spot, futures, leverage, risk. And very quickly it all turns into a chaotic stream of trades. Bitget was built with a different philosophy. It became one of the largest platforms in the world thanks to earning tools that don't require you to become a trader yourself. What will be in this video? We'll look at 5 ways to earn on Bitget, from simple steps to scaling strategies. How to enter the market without chaos, how to join new project launches, how to earn income without active trading, how to use bonuses, and how to go beyond your own deposit. Bitget can be imagined as a coordinate system. Instead of chaotic movement across the market, you get a map where each tool is a point of support. Together, they form a route that helps you move forward confidently and gradually expand opportunities. Want to understand crypto without unnecessary complications? Then support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Here we explain complex topics in simple words, so every step is clear. If you don't yet have a Bitget account, use our link in the description. Bonuses up to 8,000 USDT are available for completing tasks and trading volume. Register and join our referral team. We'll explain exactly how to activate these bonuses closer to the end of the video, so make sure to watch until the end. Copy trading, the foundation of Bitget. On many exchanges, copy trading is just an additional option. On Bitget, it became a key element of the ecosystem, and it's where most users begin their journey into the market. The core idea: you don't trade on your own. Instead, you connect to selected traders and automatically copy their trades. No chart analysis, no prior experience, no constant monitoring of the terminal. It's the format of participating and observing at the same time. Instead of complex charts, you open the copy trading section and see a list of traders. It's a showcase of strategies, where each trader is a ready-made trading system available for connection. Interface. In the top menu, select copy trading. You'll see a list of traders with statistics displayed right on their cards: ROI, return, maximum drawdown, number of copiers, assets under management, trade history. Beginners usually focus on the highest ROI. Experienced users look deeper, at stability and risk level. Because plus 200% with a minus 60% drawdown is not a strategy, it's just volatility and a major risk to capital. Trader profile. Clicking on a trader's card opens extended statistics: monthly returns, average profit and loss, win rate, leverage used, trading style and frequency. You literally see how the trader manages positions, where they take profit, how they handle drawdowns, how they control risk. This is no longer just investment, it's practical real-time learning. Connecting to a strategy. If you find a trader whose approach suits you, simply click copy. Then set your parameters: allocation amount, copy mode, proportional or fixed, loss limit, personal risk settings. After confirmation, trades start copying automatically. My copy trades section. Here you'll find open positions, current results, overall copy trading statistics, and the key point remains: control is always yours. At any moment, you can stop copying or withdraw funds. Important emphasis: copy trading is not a guarantee of profit. Even the strongest traders face drawdowns. That's why a mature market view is formed here. Evaluate long-term statistics, diversify across multiple strategies, avoid putting all capital into one trader. What copy trading gives at the start: it lets you enter the market without chaotic trades and immediately see how real trading looks. You observe risk management in action, fear of the market gradually fades, and in its place comes understanding of processes and confidence in your steps. Next step: Launchpad and Launchpool. Once you've gained basic market experience through copy trading, the next step is joining new token launches. That's what Launchpad and Launchpool on Bitget are designed for, giving access to promising projects at the earliest stages. Early access to new tokens. New projects constantly appear in the crypto market, but most users only hear about them too late, when the token is already live and the price is moving. Launchpad and Launchpool solve this problem. They are special sections of the exchange where you can get new tokens before full launch or at the very first stages. In essence, it's closed early access for platform users. The exchange acts as a mediator. The project gains audience and liquidity. Users gain the chance to enter before the market. How it looks for the user. You don't need to search for startups on forums, transfer money to questionable wallets, or join opaque pre-sales. Everything happens directly inside the exchange, in one interface, with clear conditions, defined timelines, and automatic token distribution. This way, Launchpad and Launchpool let you enter new projects without chaos or risk, and most importantly, with transparent rules and the support of the exchange itself. Interface. In the top menu, select Launchpad or Launchpool. A list of active campaigns opens, where each project card immediately shows key information: project name, countdown timer, total tokens to be distributed, coins available for participation, expected yield or APR for Launchpool. It looks like a transparent financial instrument with clear rules, not a random lottery. What's the difference? Launchpad. Participation in a token launch through subscription or allocation. Usually this means buying at a fixed price or receiving distribution among participants. You reserve funds during the campaign and receive new tokens after it ends. Launchpool, farming tokens through staking. Here you don't buy the token directly. Instead, you temporarily place your assets in a pool and receive new tokens as rewards. Which assets are used? Most often, USDT, BGB, Bitget's native token. Sometimes BTC, Ethereum, or other coins. The larger your participation amount, the bigger your share of token distribution. Think of it this way: Launchpad is a pre-order of a new token, where you reserve your spot in the project. Launchpool is like renting out your assets, which work for you and generate rewards. How participation works. Step 1. Study the project. Open the campaign card and review the conditions: minimum entry amount, distribution formula, campaign timeline, reward accrual period. Step 2. Connect assets. Click commit or stake. Enter your amount and confirm participation. From that moment, your funds start working in the campaign. Step 3. Track the process. During the campaign, you can return to the section and see how many tokens have already been credited. Accruals happen gradually, either in real time or in stages. Step 4. Receive tokens. After the campaign ends, new tokens are automatically credited to your spot account. No additional actions are required. What happens next? When the token enters the market, you already hold a position ahead of most users. From here, everything depends on your strategy. Sell immediately, hold long-term, lock in part of the profit, or watch the project develop and grow. Important emphasis. Participation in Launchpad and Launchpool does not mean guaranteed multipliers. Sometimes a new token shows rapid growth. Sometimes the dynamics are moderate. And sometimes the price moves gradually, without sharp jumps. That's why a rational approach includes not using all capital in one campaign, spreading participation across several projects, carefully studying tokenomics and launch conditions, treating this tool as early access, not as a source of quick, guaranteed profits. Clear understanding. Now you have a complete picture of how Launchpad and Launchpool work, how to get new tokens at the start, what happens after campaigns end, and which principles help use this tool wisely and safely. If you're interested not just in following crypto superficially, but truly understanding it, join our private Telegram channel. There we share insights, analyze key events, and highlight what really impacts the market. The link is in the description. Now let's continue to the next tool. This one is designed for those who value calm and predictable income, without the need to be constantly involved in the process. Savings and earn, income without trading. After tools connected to market movements and new token launches, a natural question arises. What to do with capital when you don't want to risk or open trades? The answer is the earn and savings section. Here, cryptocurrency is simply stored on the exchange and generates interest. No trades, no charts, no market fluctuations. This is the logic of a crypto deposit. How it looks for the user. You don't open positions or follow traders. You simply place an asset and start earning interest for holding it. Interface. In the top menu, select Earn or Savings. You'll see a list of available products. On each card, you immediately see which assets can be placed, yield percentage, APR, placement terms, withdrawal conditions. This is where familiar financial logic appears. Interest calculation, clear to anyone who has ever dealt with bank deposits. Flexible savings, freedom and liquidity. This is the simplest format for placing assets. You choose a coin, for example USDT, see the current yield and click subscribe. Then enter the amount, confirm, and your funds start generating interest. The main advantage is flexibility. Money can be withdrawn at any time, without restrictions. In essence, it's a mode of storing assets with yield, where liquidity is always at hand. Fixed savings, yield through discipline. If you're ready to temporarily freeze assets, the yield becomes higher. You choose the placement term, 7, 14, 30 days, etc., the fixed rate, and see the calculation of future profit. After subscribing, funds are locked for the chosen period. At the end, they return together with the accrued interest. This is no longer just storage. It's an element of planning and financial discipline. How earn is usually applied. In practice, investors distribute capital like this. Part remains liquid for trading and new opportunities, part goes into flexible savings as a reserve, part is placed in fixed products for higher yield. This way, a passive portfolio component is formed, working on its own. Important emphasis. Earn is not about quick money. Its purpose is to provide stability, base yield, reduce risks, and add balance inside the portfolio. Staking is one of the simplest ways to start earning from cryptocurrency without active trading. It's available on almost all major exchanges and allows you to earn simply by holding assets. To make the choice easier, we've prepared a selection of exchanges we actively use ourselves, compared by reliability, convenience, and functionality. In the description under the video, you'll find links to all these platforms along with bonus offers for new users. That's what we'll focus on next. Because bonuses aren't just a pleasant extra, they act as a starting boost that helps you feel the effect of stable tools like Earn much faster. The next stage is bonuses and missions inside exchanges. They become an additional element of the earning system, increase its efficiency, and help you gain more advantages from working with crypto. 4. Reward Center, Task Center. Bonuses for a faster start. Many users join the exchange, start using the tools, and simply don't check the tasks. As a result, part of the bonuses remain unused. On Bitget, there's a dedicated Reward Center and Task Center, a list of active missions and promo campaigns right inside your account. Where to find it? Open your profile or go to the Reward Center. You'll see a list of available tasks, which usually include registration bonus, verification bonus, first deposit bonus, futures coupons, trading volume tasks, temporary promotions, and campaigns. All tasks are displayed directly in the interface and updated automatically. Thus, Reward Center Task Center is not just an extra section, but a real opportunity to strengthen your start and claim bonuses that many users miss. How the mechanism works. Open the task card. Read the completion requirements. Perform the action directly inside the exchange. The system automatically updates the status. Click Claim, and the bonus is credited instantly. What rewards bring? The rewards are not abstract. They're real working tools that help save money and boost your activity. Commission coupons reduce trading costs. Futures bonuses let you trade without risking your deposit. Cashback rewards temporarily increased interest rates in Earn. Access to promotions and raffles. These bonuses act as a multiplier for your activity on the exchange, reducing expenses, adding extra income sources, allowing you to safely test new tools. why it matters. When all the basic features are already in use, Reward Center becomes the next step, turning separate bonuses into a systematic process that scales your results. Found this information useful? Show it with a like. That way you support the channel and show that these breakdowns are truly needed. 5. Referral program. Earnings without investment. All previous earning methods were tied to your capital, how much you placed, which tools you chose, how you distributed risk. The referral program works differently. Income is generated through the activity of users who registered via your link. Where to find it? In your account profile, open the referral section. You'll see the partner program dashboard showing your unique referral link, commission percentage, number of invited users, their trading volume, payout history. All statistics update automatically and are available directly in your account. How it works. You share your link. A new user registers and starts trading on the exchange. The exchange earns trading fees, and a portion of those fees is credited to you. Everything happens automatically. No trades on your side, no leverage, no dependence on market movements. Thus, the referral program is a way to earn stable additional income that runs parallel to your activity and requires no personal investment. What's important to understand. The referral program is not a one-time promotion or single bonus. It works continuously. As long as the users you invited remain active and keep trading, part of their fees is regularly returned to you. Income is formed non-stop, and the system keeps working as long as trading continues. How it starts in practice. It usually begins very simply. You've already mastered the exchange and share your experience. A friend asks which platform to choose. Someone wants help with registration. Another person is curious about their first steps in crypto. Instead of giving a regular recommendation, you send your referral link. If they start using the exchange, the mechanism launches automatically and rewards begin to flow. Over time, an additional income stream forms, running alongside your main tools. At that point, your role changes. You're no longer just a user of the platform, but part of its growth, benefiting from community expansion and strengthening your position inside the ecosystem. Bitget is not just one feature, but a whole set of possibilities that can be combined together. Copy trading, automatic trade copying, Launchpad and Launchpool, access to new tokens at the launch stage, earn and savings, yield from storing assets, Reward Center, tasks and bonuses inside the platform, referral program, an additional source of income without investment. All these elements form a single system. Each tool strengthens the other, creating a balanced approach to earning and managing capital. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to give it a like, and in the comments, share your experience, which tools you've already tried or which ones you plan to test. See you soon.